Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, click Enter or press on it. Right here you need to click Add Device and then select Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. If it's your first connection, your earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the earbuds we have SOUNDCORE logo, and right here we have touch areas. So we need to press and hold at the both of these touch areas for at least 3 seconds. And you will also enter to prank mode and you will see these earbuds at the device list. Now, click on it and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!